Sa balitang figure skating, matapos ang ilang taong niyang makulay na karera sa figure skating, focus naman ngayon ang two-time Winter Olympian na si Michael Martinez sa pagiging coach sa mga susunod na henerasyon ng mga figure skaters. Yan ang ulat ni teammate Daryl Oclares.
Muling tumapak sa ice skating rink sa Pasay City ang binansagang Ice Prince ng Pilipinas at two-time Winter Olympian na si Michael Martinez. Pero hindi ito para sumabak sa bigating winter sports competition kundi para patuloy na gabayan ng mga nagsisimulang figure skaters bilang isang coach. Taong 2022 nang mabigyan ng pagkakataon si Martinez ng Philippine Skating Union na maging mentor ng pambansang koponan. Pero bago ito, naging coach na rin si Martinez sa Estados Unidos ng halos 4 na taon.
Very fulfilling kasi I get to share my knowledge and experience to them and see them grow because of me. It's such a great feeling, especially on a competition. They would win, they get to adapt some of my technique. It's like literally like passing on to them. It's just such a great feeling to see.
Bagamat focus na niya ngayon ng pagiging isang coach, hindi naman isinasara ni Martinez ang posibilidad na magbalik siya sa kompetisyon.
You know, honestly, I really want to go back. But it's just very difficult for me to juggle nga yung coaching and then skating. Demanding din kasi talaga yung coaching. I actually have a couple of co-workers then, coaches na also wants to compete. But it's just very difficult to juggle talaga. We have to pick one. Kasi I did not realize how difficult it is to be a coach.
May mensahe rin si Martinez sa mga susunod na henerasyon ng figure skaters na naisundan ng kanilang yapak at makatungtong sa mga international winter sports competition.
I just want to say that keep going, keep trying your best, keep doing everything that you got kasi we are young just only once in a very short time. Next thing you know, you're already having back pains and everything and bills to pay. So enjoy and give it your all. And of course, for the new aspiring skaters who wants to try skating, go try it. You might be the next one.
Daryl Oclares para sa Atletang Pilipino para sa Bagong Pilipinas.